everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diamond World. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make jackfruit leaf tea. You might have heard about green tea, black tea, bubble tea, but might have not heard about jackfruit leaf tea. Though it's not very well known, its benefits are a large amount. Jackfruit leaf tea makes you stay healthy and fit by treating your skin problems, helps heal ulcer, and for those who wants to reduce their weight, jackfruit leaf tea will be a good addition to your diet plan. Jackfruit leaf tea will also keep you young by stalling the aging process. Now let's see the simple steps to making this tea. I'm going to be using 10 jackfruit leaves for 1 liter of water. Please remember to wash your leaves thoroughly. After that, I encourage everyone to cut the leaves into smaller pieces so it's easier to make the tea. Now you may add your water to a pot. Now light it and add the jackfruit leaves. We boil till the water is reduced to 500 ml, which will approximately take 1 hour. At the start, the flame should be high, but afterwards, when it starts to boil, we should put it at the medium flame. There is no restriction for this tea. We can drink it at any time of the day and whenever you feel like it. Well, this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna share more facts about this tea to you guys. The number of benefits it contains is almost an infinite number. This tea benefits diabetes patients a lot. Currently, jackfruit leaves have been considered for diabetes treatment due to providing significant benefits for wound healing, better blood sugar control, and glucose tolerance, reduced insulin resistance, and a healthier cholesterol. This tea repairs the damages of pancreas, thereby pancreas work efficiently in secreting insulin normally. After you have switched to a medium flame, you can leave it till the leaves turn to a brownish color. Now your leaves should look similar to this. Now you can filter it out to a cup and voila, that's how you make jackfruit leaf tea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and maybe leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.